I can, you can, we can do it together.
I was taught that it's important to care about others and to be polite, and you probably were too as well. So what's wrong with that, Teresa? Isn't that how we should also be raising our children? Well, the short answer is yes, of course. But like most things, the devil is in the details. It's possible to overdo politeness, people, and also caretaking. When we overdo, something's got to give and take. Sometimes we call this the good girl syndrome, when the need to please gets out of control and we become self-satisfactory in giving instead of well-balanced and well-balanced adults.
I can, you can, we can do it together.